Tesla will establish a designated retail space within the Home Depot stores in the USA to promote and sell your solar panels and Powerwall batteries. The spaces will include screens of 12 by 7 feet, and some stores will offer demonstrations of the products. Tesla will build its commercial spaces in 800 Home Depot locations. The home improvement chain has approximately 2,200 stores nationwide, and the company will offer on-site sales representatives to explain the products to customers. The sunroof, which Tesla started taking orders in advance last summer, will not yet be part of the mini stores, but could be added in the future. Solar panel installations cost, on average, between $10,000 and $30,000, with the prices expected to rise after the Trump administration announced a 30% tariff for panels imported last month. For its part, Tesla plans to manufacture its panels within the U.S. What will exempt them from the tariff? But the average cost to install a Tesla sunroof will obviously have an added value. Consumer Reports estimates that a 3,000 square foot solar roof will cost $73,500. Tesla's spaces at Home Depot begin expanding into stores in Southern California and will be added next to Las Vegas, Nevada and Orlando, Florida, next week. The 800 stores are expected to have the kiosks in the first half of the year.